Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Netflix Error Code E100. The error reads, "Pardon the interruption, this title is not available to watch instantly. Please try another title." As per our research, this error mainly occurs when users try to watch Netflix on a web browser, particularly on devices like Meta Quest 3, Android tablets, or foldable phones. The issue seems to be related to browser compatibility, OS or software conflicts, or Netflix's DRM restrictions. Before trying anything, restart your web browser and check if the error is resolved. If the error persists, make sure your browser is up to date. Also, disable any ad blocker extensions as they might interfere with Netflix streaming. If the error still comes, then try accessing Netflix from another browser. Sometimes certain browsers don't work well with Netflix, so switching to a different one may help. A trick that some users have found useful is installing the Netflix app. Then log in via Firefox. Once logged in, click on Open in App. This will redirect you to the Netflix app, allowing you to stream without getting the error. If none of the previous fixes work, then the issue might be browser or OS related. Unfortunately, there may not be much you can do other than switching to another device like a laptop or smart TV, or reaching out to the Netflix support. So there you have it. To troubleshoot the error, restart and update your browser, disable ad blockers, try another browser, use the Netflix app instead, or switch to a different device if nothing works, or reach out to Netflix support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.